Hello guys, today I am teaching order and group in MySQL. Then first I will open MySQL workbench and simply login root and this is open. Then I will use database, first database 123 and this is my database. I will use this database, and in this database I have two tables, one employee and sample data. Then I will be use sample data. Then first describe the table, sample data like this. See, and I will print all the data in this table. Sample from sample data. See the result, huh? See, right? Then first I will teach order. Then first open a select star from sample data, right? Order by what can I do? Anyone tell? No. Then right, order by units, right? Then it is print like ascending order like this 2 3 4 5 7. If I will be write in this D E S C, this is a descending, then it is reverse order printed. See 96 95 90 like this, right? Then second is select group. How to use group statement? Select star from sample data group by like this, huh? Remember, group by region, and order by what is the order by units. First I will teach only this. Order by region. What is the result? See, if I will use count, which count? Region. Which region? How many people are there? Then like, see, then I will give name. One name is as total country. पर हर एक रीजन में कितनी कंट्री वो, एंड देन ऑर्डर बाय what can I do? Total country, simply like this, right? Then simply print. See 6 13 24. If I will take descending order, then simply write DSC and see what is the result on this place like this 24 30. If I am taking only one top values, then simply write limit bracket 1 and close like this. Limit 1 like this, don't use bracket. I will be take bottom because this is a jumble, group by, order by, and limit take 1 like this, and simply select all and see only one, right? If I take 2 in this place, then top 2 I'll give it, right? If I was take nothing on this place, then simply print bottom 2, 6, 13. Pick 1, then simply 6, राइट। ये हमारा ऑर्डर एंड ग्रुप कैसे यूज करते डेटा के ऊपर वो था। थैंक्स अलॉट दिस एंड प्लीज गाइस follow the Instagram channel, like and subscribe on this channel. Thank you so much.